Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. Now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 25th of September 2020 and time is 9:25 am. Now coming on to our watch list. So we are having HDFC Bank, Infi, JSW Steel, Kotak Bank and M&M. Okay traders, so I will be watching chart of each of these stock, and when I will get any opportunity to trade, I will update you. So now I am pausing the video. So traders, I am seeing an opportunity in HDFC Bank. As you can see here, it was coming downwards. Again it has gone now for retracement, and now I am thinking that it will reverse from this resistance. So I am waiting for stochastic RSI to give the signal, and when it will give signal I will place the order. And I am selling with 10 quantities, as our maximum stop loss which we can give is only 100 rupees. So we are taking 10 quantities and just waiting for stochastic RSI to give signal, and then we will enter into the trade. So traders, I am pausing the video. When it will give signal, I'll update you. So traders, now I am placing the order. Let's see what happens. Only main problem, which is that it takes time to place our order. But okay, we were somewhere here. Now let us wait some few seconds more to get our order placed, otherwise we will consider near this price. Okay traders, so as usual it is taking some time. It is taking time, but okay. So traders, as it is taking time, we will consider our execution price this. Okay traders, now waiting for our target, which is this, and stop loss, it is here. Okay traders, so we have got our target and stop loss decided. So now we will wait for an event to get it. So now I am pausing the video, and when it will hit any, I'll update you. So traders, now it's 10:26 am, and you can see here the market is moving. Here you can see 10:26 am, and you can see here the market is just moving around our cost price. But okay, we are waiting for our target. So when it will hit, I will update you. And now I am pausing the video. So traders, it's now 12:51 p.m. you can see here, and also coming on to our chart, you can see here also that how much volatile is today's market. You can see here. So also our stop loss got hit. Here it is, and you can see here also first it went towards our target, and just above 1 point from our target it reversed. Only just 1 point, traders, you can see here. So what we learned, that our target should be should be made good, or it means that it should be at good level, As you can see here, we were required to place our target at this resistance, but we didn't did it, so we got our stop loss trigger. And also one thing which we learned from today is that we should not leave our trade by just placing stop loss and target. We should watch chart till we exit the trade, because if we were traders, you can see here, were watching the chart, there were many chances that I might be exiting that trade here manually, but it didn't happen just because I placed target and stop loss and went to do some other work. So we got our stop loss triggered, and also this happens when there is volatile market. So okay, loss accepted. Day by day traders, we are learning things and soon going to become a good trader. Now let's calculate our today's loss. So opening the calculator, and our stop loss points was 6.15. So 6.15, and our quantities were 10. So okay, our today's loss is 61.5 rupees. Okay traders, so this was my today's trade, and also I already told you the logic which I was using for today's trade. So that was all it. Hope you learned something and enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.